Now, welcome back again to Ali Tili, and today is a special treat for you because my sons and myself we visited the Graeme Sanctuary Park, and right here it's a beautiful yellow bird that was just standing there, looking all magnificent, looking for something to eat. And so in this section, there are many birds in here flying. So this is just like a huge cage. And over on the other side is a little man-made swamp lake. And we are just looking at the birds and some of nature's insects that are just flying around. Those are my sons, Joshua and Jonathan. And if you look closely, you will see that there's a bird. And when I first saw it, I thought it was actually a statue. But on closer inspection, I realized indeed that it was a bird and it was alive. It's amazing how God's creatures are able to blend back with the environment. And it just blended back with the rocks that I thought it was actually a part of it.